Holidays ended? Back to school? We can make it a little bit interesting, but how? Since you'll be preparing for the school and listing down things to buy. In the past, the average back-to-school supplies list featured just the basics: paper, pens, rulers, and folders. Back-to-school shopping is a little more modern these days, with a healthy dose of tech to help students get their grades. Here are some of the devices that you will find helpful for your school. Before moving forward, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. So let's get started. Mr. Coffee Iced Hot Single-Serve Coffee Maker with a reusable tumbler and nylon filter. Okay, high-tech it isn't, but a coffee maker is still an essential electronic purchase if you're moving out on their own. This single-serve Mr. Coffee Maker brews 15 ounces of hot or 22 ounces of iced coffee in about 4 minutes. It comes with a reusable tumbler and a reusable filter, no pods required, and scoop, so you can use any type of coffee they like. With this, you can make their own coffee before you leave your dorm room or apartment and skip the long lines and expense of the local coffee shop. 9. Fitness Tracker Fitbit Ace 3. A kid-friendly fitness tracker that offers fun daily challenges for the whole family to move together, as well as activity and sleep tracking benefits for the wearer. Set this up by pairing it with an adult's iPhone or Android phone. It is e-signed for kids ages 6 to 13 who aren't ready for more advanced tech yet. This is an enjoyable way to get the whole family excited about getting moving. 8. Apple Watch Series 7. Absurdly smart, like genius smart, the Apple Watch Series 7 is the handiest companion around, whether a student is using it for tracking their fitness, their schedule, their health, their sleep, or to stay in touch or stay on time. It's dust, water, and crack resistant, has a big, bright, never-off display, comes in a range of colors, and is all around just so enjoyable to use. It is a great option for any iPhone user. Right now, a purchase of an Apple Watch comes with 3 free months of Apple Fitness Plus, with new workouts each week, guided mediation, and more. 7. Anchor Portable Charger. Though it's not the most exciting purchase, living away from home or about to travel student will be glad to have backup for their phones or tablets, thanks to this slim portable charger that weighs about half a pound and can charge a phone up to 3 times and a typical tablet once. This slim charger is useful for traveling or commuting, and it's a fan favorite on Amazon, with more than 55,000 ratings and an overall 4.6 out of 5-star rating. 6. JAWL Wake Up Light Sunrise Alarm Clock. A different type of way to wake up. The JAWL Sunrise Clock gradually brightens your bedroom from 10% to 100% brightness over a customizable period of 10, 20, or 30 minutes. Or you can choose to wake up to a radio or soothing sounds like ocean waves or streams. Doubles as a bedside lamp and nightlight. Starting your day with an alarm blaring in your ear isn't very relaxing, so this gentler approach offers a more pleasant morning for all concerned, since rousing gently is a far preferred way to start the day. Sunrise alarm clocks can get pricey, but this affordable one is a great budget option. 5. Beats Studio Buds. Whether they use an Apple or Android phone, these wireless Beats earphones are compatible and easy to set up. They offer 8 hours of listening time, and with the charging case, a full 24 hours. They're sweat and water resistant, and listeners can choose between noise canceling and a transparency mode. Since everybody is different, Beats sends 3 different ear tips sizes so you can find your perfect, most comfortable fit. Whether taking an online class, listening to music while working out, or tuning out a chatty roommate or sibling when you're trying to study, good earphones are essential. These offer excellent sound quality and are easy to take from one location to another. And right now, with your purchase, you get a 6-month free subscription to Apple Music. 4. Acer Chromebook Spin 514. Chromebook devices, which run Google's Chrome OS, are massively popular in education. So much so that finding the affordably priced, cloud-connected notebooks continues to be a challenge. However, as of this writing, the Acer Chromebook Spin 514 showed availability on Best Buy's website. And the Acer Chromebook Spin 514 is a strong choice with its 14-inch convertible touchscreen, AMD Ryzen 3000 C-series processors, and AMD Radeon graphics. The AMD processors enable strong performance, responsiveness, and battery life, up to 10 hours, Acer says. 3. Roku Ultra. There's nothing wrong with a little downtime after class. If you could use a media streaming device for your return to school, you can't go wrong with getting them the Roku Ultra, which Roku calls its fastest and most powerful player ever, thanks in part to the inclusion of a new quad-core processor. The Roku Ultra enables high-quality Dolby Vision picture and Dolby Atmos sound on compatible TVs and sound systems, along with offering a 50% improvement to wireless range over previous players. The device also comes with a remote that can be voice-controlled, and features both USB and Ethernet ports for expanded connectivity options. 2. JBL Geo 3 Portable Waterproof Wireless Speaker. This portable, compact speaker from JBL is waterproof and dustproof, and offers good sound and 5 hours of playtime at a wallet-friendly price. Headphones are useful when you're solo, but if you want to listen to music with a friend or stream from their phone, tablet, or other device, a good quality speaker is a nice addition. Your purchase right now also comes with 4 months of SiriusXM and a free 6-month subscription to Apple Music. 1. TCL 32-inch Class 720p HD LED Roku Smart TV. This TCL 32-inch Smart TV packs in all of the premium-level features you'd expect from a TCL Roku device, in a package small enough to easily fit in a dorm room or home office. The intuitive interface and voice search smart remote make it easy for you to access all your favorite content like broadcast TV, streaming channels, gaming, and more. It also comes with 3 HDMI inputs so you can connect laptops, gaming consoles, and other video devices. While a TV may not typically fall on your back-to-school shopping checklist, a smart TV makes at-home learning, collaborating on projects, and, of course, after-school relaxing, a breeze. Plus, at under $100, this is a deal you don't want to miss.